Make it so that your healthy competition is competing against yourself, not against somebody else, not against, some mythical competitor that you created in your head.
Hi, my name's Devon. Today I own several multi-million-dollar companies. We started with $5,000 in a credit card. I don't know the easy way. I only know the hard way.
Hey everyone, welcome to the Whiteboard Entrepreneur Podcast, where I give straightforward advice for the entrepreneur in all of us. I am Devon Dickinson, and today I'm going to talk about chasing your PR every single day. And this is a lifestyle mindset, and it's something that I always try to encourage those that work for me and those that I coach, because I think a lot of you guys know that I'm a coach on the soccer field as well. But I always encourage you every single day to seek after that PR. And this is, I believe, a healthy competitive lifestyle. And I share this because I have a tendency to have a very unhealthy competitive lifestyle. Okay. And again, I try to be transparent with you. One of the things I have had a hard time in my life is kind of being overly competitive with people. Right. And so as an entrepreneur, as a business person, you always our companies make a lot of lists, right, of success lists or whatever. And they're ranked like, oh, we got, 35 out of, 5,000 companies or whatever. And I'm like, all right, who are 1 through 34? Right? Like, that's all I care about. Who are 1 through 34? I'm not happy with the fact that last year we were ranked 135 and this year we're 35. All I care about is that 34 people beat me, and who are they? I want them. I'm going to crush them, right? Crush the competition. And I would tell you that is an incredibly unhealthy way to think and to live. Now, you say, no, America's built on competition. Absolutely. Like, listen, I'm all about it. Like, we have it inside of us, right, to get better every single day, right? But I will tell you, it's actually evil to compare yourself to other people, period. Why? Because they're not you and you're not them, period. That's it. Your company is not, your company is your company, their company is their company. And if you're competing against them, you actually want them to lose so that you can win, right? Like, how about they win and you win? How about that'd be great, right? How about like everybody wins, right? Because we can do that, right? The pie isn't only this big, right? And there's only so many slices of it. That's not true. That's not the way the world works. They can win, you can win, we can all win, right? And at the end of the year, does it matter if I'm ranked like number 1 or number 35? Well, it matters if every year I'm trying to achieve my PR, right? And so I realized this the other day when I was really starting to have a healthier mindset, because I was on the Peloton and I was grinding, right? And normally it says like, I don't know, 10,000 people have done this class and you are ranked, 1,800, right? So I am happy because I'm in like that top 20%. But I realized again that was unhealthy, because like I'm competing against people who are 18 years old. I'm competing against people who are like, literally that's what they're paid to do, right? That is to be a runner. I'm competing against these people that honestly it's unhealthy. It's not even natural. It's evil for me to compare myself to them. And also the people I'm beating, who knows? Maybe that person is a cancer survivor and this person, first time they've gotten back on the treadmill, and I'm like, crushing you, sucker. Right. And I'm like, I had just this unhealthy competition. But then I found on the Peloton that there's my name and then there's my current pace. Right. And what I realized is my current pace is actually comparing against my own PR on the same class. And all of a sudden I'm like, oh, I'm going to crush that guy. Right. And so my name on that Peloton, I'm chasing my PR, and oh my gosh, like all of a sudden I'm like, this is healthy. That's the guy I want to beat. That's the guy from 2 weeks ago that ran this class 2 weeks ago. I want to crush that. I want to crush that person, right? Because that's me, right? I want to be better than I was yesterday. I want to be better than I am tomorrow. I want to beat whatever my PR is today. And that's healthy competition, right? When you compare your company to somebody else's company and they go, oh my gosh, they had 38% growth and we only had 32% growth. Are you kidding me? Great, good for them. And good for you, right? Even better for you if last year you had 28% growth and this year you had 32% growth. Awesome. Good for you. Make it so that your healthy competition is competing against yourself, not against somebody else, not against, some mythical competitor that you created in your head. How about you compete against yourself? How about whatever your own PR is, you beat that today? That's my challenge to you. That's healthy competition. I hope that helps. I'm Devon. This is Whiteboard Entrepreneur. Have a great day. Take a quick moment and hit that subscribe button for more content.